This is my breakfast. Honestly, today is a little bit cleaner than usual because I'm trying to be healthy recently. After I finish the light meal, I start working that I didn't finish from the last night. This time I'm making a bund watch strap. This design came out during the Second World War to protect a watch from a harsh environment. I love this design, it's my favorite. My watches are all wearing this strap. But if you are a very sweaty person, then you will have to consider it to wear it. If you ask me how much difficult to make it, let's say 8 out of 10, not easy to make. You will have to know every aspect of the watch that you are making for. My dog looks so bored while I'm working. It's kind of sorry for him, but he's lucky because I'm with him all day long together. It's not a monsoon season yet, but it's been raining for 3 days. What a strange weather recently. It seems summer is almost here already. I have to get ready for it. So I take all the letters out from the storage to check the condition of them. Humidity is the biggest concern when I store my letters. Let me show you a good example if fetch 10 letters stored in a humid condition for too long. It was a very bright color at the first time, even though I still love this tanned look, but I can't let it happen to my other letters. So I have to run dehumidifier, and it will be running 24 hours during the summertime. I prefer iced coffee while I'm working, but on a rainy day, listening to the raindrops, hot tea makes me feel much comfortable.